What's going on, man? I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna just go over a list of mods I've done on my truck. All mods I've done myself. I had my truck for a year now. It's a 2020 Ram 1500. So I'm gonna just go over the list of things I've done. All things I've done myself. So check it out. Okay, first I'm gonna put up a picture of my truck when I first bought it, compared to now. So check this out. All right, man, I'm gonna start on the inside right quick. As you can see, I did install some interior lights, front, back. Never easy. But like I said, I had my truck for 1 year now, and I have, let's see, yeah, 5,940 miles on it after a year, which is not bad. It's the only thing I did to the inside. Let's see. Outside, I installed the Hemi stripes on the bed. It came with this Hemi sticker, so I ended up putting that on the tailgate. I said I got my hitch plug off of Amazon. Yep. Stripes. I installed the bed cover, which I think I got this off eBay. For the stripe, I tinted the front windows myself. The 2 front windows and the strip across the front. Let's see. Added the black door handles. Thought that was a nice touch with the black door handles. Running boards I installed myself, and I put the Hemi sticker on the running board. Stripes installed on the hood myself, and I put one of the Hemi stickers on the stripe. Let's see, overlays on the badge, and the grill, and the hood badges. I installed those. And let's see, over here, front license plate right here. That was chrome. I painted it black, and then I brushed the white in, and I put like 2 coats of clear on top. Came out good though. Let's see, the other badge right here. The rims, I masked and painted the rims myself. They were all black. I installed the spike lug nuts, the black spike lug nuts. The calipers and the hub part, this part here, I masked those and painted them. 2 coats white, 2 coats clear. Same as the rims. 2 coats white, 2 coats clear. Let's see. The grill lights I installed myself. Took me a while, but I got it done. underglow lights. I installed those myself also. And that's it. That's about everything I've done myself within the last year since I bought my truck. All things I've done myself. Calibers though, they came out real good. Rims came out beautiful. Yep. That's it. It's everything I've done myself. Yeah, once again, man, I'd like to thank everybody again for watching the video, subscribing to the channel, likes, comments, all that. I really appreciate that, man. Thanks.